we have the best, so-called best league in the world, IPL, GPL, QPL. I don't give a fuck about that league also. I don't give a shit. Means really I don't like it. Really. So IPL में सब बादशाह बन रहा है, IPL में सब बाजीगर बन रहा है, IPL में सब शो ऑफ मतलब जो कुछ भी कर रहा है, लेकिन असली मैच में पूरा टाई टाई फिस ऐसे करके कैसे होगा? ऐसे करके कैसे होगा? Shoaib Akhtar has said on his YouTube channel, cricket is not about fashion, it is about passion. Correct, absolute correct statement he has said, Shoaib Akhtar. Before all this time, before means I am a 90s kids, these all so much luxury was not there in cricket, man. Players used to work very hard. Players used to work really hard. Means they used to play for the country. There was a pride, man. There was a pride. And I remember clearly, I have seen the darkest day in 2007 Cricket World Cup. I have seen the darkest of days. That was the darkest period for Team India's cricketing history. That was the darkest day. This is turning out to be another darkest period. It's shocking, man, shocking. After having IPL, such a big league, so-called IPL, how can this be the situation? God only knows. And what is this boycott IPL going on in the social media? I can completely understand the fans' frustration. I can completely understand. When India last won the World Cup in 2007, immediately that was 6 months after the embarrassing defeat in the West Indies. World Cup exit, losing to Bangladesh, then losing to Sri Lanka and exiting out in the group stages itself. 6 months after that, they have won the T20 World Cup. That was the first and the last time India has ever won. After that, 14 years have passed, no chance, no seed, nothing. Nothing. 2016 Cricket World Cup in India, it came close, but unfortunately, West Indies proved out to be brilliant in the semi-final match in Wankhede Stadium. That was the closest India came after that. Obviously, fans will be upset, right? That without the IPL, we can do it. We have become champions in 2007. Against all odds, we have become the champions without IPL or anything. Then with IPL, we are not even coming close. We are not even coming close and we are losing so badly. Then what is the use of the bloody IPL? What is the bloody use? Fans have the right to question that. Fans absolutely have the right to question that. They are spending their valuable and precious time in watching this team, watching the nation, and they are humiliating and embarrassing the nation like this. They have all the rights to question. So what is this IPL? Why this IPL was formed? Those who are 2000s kids, they should understand that in 2007, in 2007 after that humiliation in West Indies, after losing out, Team India senior players, Sourav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, Anil Kumble, Zahir Khan, then VVS Lakshman, all these senior cricketers said that we will not play this T20 World Cup as it is not real cricket. So Team India BCCI selectors have sent a young team where Dhoni was the captain, then Sehwag, Gambhir, Yuvraj Singh, then RP Singh and Srishant, I think, were the regular players who have played for Team India. But it was a young side. So it was a young side. The nation didn't have any expectations. Nation didn't have any expectation. They said that, big players like Sourav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman, Anil Kumble, Zahir Khan, these players are not there. So what will team perform? Gone case. That's it. No expectations they had. But the team has performed above expectations and against all odds. They didn't even have a coach. That Lauda Chappal was sacked. After that, they didn't even have a coach. They had a mentor. Lalachand Rajput was the mentor, and bowling mentor they had, Venkatesh Prasad was there. That's all. These two coaches they had. And fielding coach they had, Robin Singh. That's all. So against all odds, they have won the World Cup. And they played superb. Yuvraj Singh had hit 6 sixers. Then against Australia, they belted Australia, really. World champions, they have absolutely belted. Who was considered favorites to win the tournament. They belted. So against all odds, they have won the tournament. That's why BCCI has given the reward. This IPL is basically a reward for winning the T20 World Cup. Along with the money, they have given the reward. This is called as IPL, which will promote the T20 cricket among Indians and which will make T20 cricket popular, and it will show the power of Indian youngsters, because without any expectations, Indian youngsters have conquered the world. So that's why they know the power of Indian youngsters. They know what Indian youngsters are capable of, what Indian youths are capable of in cricket. They wanted to show. So this league has become enormous success, so much success it has got, that now, earlier it used to be always playing for the nation is the number one priority. Even conducting international cricket matches, test cricket matches was the number one priority. Now what has become is that IPL, conducting IPL in a year is the number one priority. Like playing IPL has to be done, whether you play any international cricket or not. So this is not right? This is not right. And now they have introduced 2 more extra teams and people are dancing and rejoicing. Some 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 crores the team has been sold for. मतलब पैसा का चक्कर चल रहा है पूरा पूरा पैसा 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 उड़ाओ 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 और इंटरनेशनल स्टेजेस में गांड मराओ, यही हो रहा है पूरा. And now BCCI came up with a proposition saying that we'll not have 1 IPL per year. We'll have 2 IPLs per year. 2 IPLs. More money, more sponsorship, more telecast broadcasting rights, more everything. More pressure on the players, more matches, more money. मतलब पूरा मतलब और दो. मतलब जितना लिमिट में है, मतलब जितना काफी है उतना नहीं, और दो. मतलब पूरा पैसा इतना दे दो कि पूरा मतलब पूरा शरीर मतलब पूरा पैसा बढ़ जाए. मतलब ऐसा हो रहा है. मतलब so much money. So that's why the team has played like a overpaid buffoons. The players have played. Absolutely pathetic. Players are coming open on social media and saying that we are not bothered about the noise. People in social media makes a lot of noise. It has become a source of entertainment and all these things they are saying. So people should keep quiet after you got embarrassed and humiliated by Pakistan, after you got humiliated by New Zealand. Shameful being the host. So people should keep quiet, isn't it? Like people are paying 5,000, 6,000, 10,000, 20,000 rupees tickets. They're going to the stadium and watching and making BCCI rich, and that's how you're getting your payment. So fans should not criticize, is it? Fans should not criticize. Fans should just stay silent. Shh. They should stay. I would like to say that be fortunate that you're getting criticized. Be fortunate you're getting criticized. Be fortunate that you're born in a country like India where cricket, it's a cricket crazy nation. Where people आपको एक ordinary performance के लिए सर पे बैठा देता है. Where a youngster, a 13 or 14-year-old youngster from Delhi will not know the chief minister of Tamil Nadu, but will know the captain of Chennai Super Kings, that is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. A person from Kolkata, a child from Kolkata will not know the chief minister of Karnataka, but will know the captain of Royal Challengers Bangalore, that is Virat Kohli. That is the cricket crazy nation. That is the power of cricket crazy nation. Be fortunate that you are born in India. Be fortunate that at least people care. That 2.5 crore people has at least tuned in to watch your performance. Other countries like New Zealand, England, or even in Australia, people don't even care about cricket. Don't even care because they have other sports to focus on. Be fortunate. Be fortunate that you're born in a country that has the richest board, and you're saying means now Ali Bali Challis are also coming on social media and saying that they will praise us when we perform very well, and when we don't perform well they'll absolutely criticize and crucify us. Be fortunate that you are getting criticized. People are caring so much.